Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning guys, welcome to English speaking basic class. Okay, and then I would like to say welcome to you all for the students of English department, especially for semester 1 newcomer students of University Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi. Well, how are you guys? Hopefully all of you in a good condition, in a good health, and also still keep your health because right now we are in coronavirus in the outside. Well, still using your masker, and then please wash your hand and always stay space for another people, yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, nice to see you again because today is our first meeting, yeah, in this semester, especially in English speaking basic. Well, actually in our first meeting, although for our campus today is the fifth meeting, yeah, this week is the fifth meeting, but for you all, because you are as this first semester, today is your first meeting, yeah. Actually, every lecturer in the first meeting always give learning contract for the students, yeah. So today I want to tell you about our learning contract, yeah, especially in English speaking basic course, yeah. The first is about your participation or your active in the class. It means that if you come or you join in this class, it means that your score is 10%, yeah. And then the second is about your assignment, yeah. Okay, maybe in every meeting, yeah, I wanna give you some exercise, yeah. It means that you must join about this exercise because you will have your score and it is about 20%. The third is middle test, yeah. Your middle test you will be scored by 20% also, yeah. And the last one is about your final test, and this is the biggest one, that is about 40% of your score. So the totally of your score is 100%. Ya, jadi mahasiswa dan mahasiswa semua, di pertemuan pertama saya akan memberikan kalian kontrak perkuliahan, ya. Dari kontrak perkuliahan itu ada 4. Yang pertama yaitu partisipasi atau keaktifan atau kehadiran, itu nilainya 10%, ya. Jadi total dari 100% itu 10%-nya itu dinilai dari kehadiran kalian. Yang kedua yaitu assignment. Assignment itu adalah tugas. Jadi setiap pertemuan, ya, ataupun tugas-tugas yang saya berikan harus kalian jalankan karena ini total nilainya 20%, ya. Yang ketiga itu adalah ujian tengah semester. Nah, ini nilainya 20%. Jadi dari skor kalian ketika hari UTS nanti itu bernilai 20%. Dan yang terakhir yaitu ketika ujian semester, ya, atau final test itu nilainya 40%. Jadi total semuanya itu 100%. So guys, if you want to get a big score in this course, you must join all of the steps, ya, in order that all of you will pass of this semester, especially in English speaking basic, ya. So this is about learning contract, ya. And then, yeah, because this is our first meeting, it's better for us to know each other, yeah. But especially for me, because I'm as your lecturer, I wanna tell you about my introduction of myself, yeah. Well, guys, you know, yeah, maybe you have read in everywhere that your lecturer in English speaking basic, her name is Dewi Sri Kuning, yeah. Dewi Sri Kuning is me, yeah. I'm as your lecturer, yeah. My full name is Dewi Sri Kuning, but my nickname, yeah, there are my nickname, yeah. I don't know why, because the name of Dewi is very familiar in the world, yeah. Okay, when I am still a baby, yeah, my grandma always call my name is Lengket. Why she call me by that, yeah? Because my placenta when I was born, it is Lengket, yeah. So my grandma call me by Lengket. This is the first, yeah. But for today my grandma has passed away, yeah. Okay, and then when I'm child, yeah, in my hometown, yeah, for my parents and my neighbor, the someone who live near with me call my name is Dewi, yeah. So everywhere know my name is Dewi because this is my nickname while I was child, yeah. Until I in elementary school, junior high school, anybody call me Dewi, yeah. And then when I was enter in vocational high school, yeah, my name is being changed, yeah. Many friends and other people in my school call my name by Desri, yeah. Why they call me by Desri? Because in the class the name of Dewi consists of 3 students, yeah. There are Dewi Novitasari, Dewi Fatima, and also Dewi Sri Kuning, yeah. So for Dewi Novitasari, it called by Dewi Novita, Denov, yeah, Denov. But for the time it can be called by Denov, yeah. And the second Dewi Fatima be called by Deva. And the last one, Dewi Sri Kuning, is called by Desri, yeah. So this is my nickname when I was in vocational high school. Many friends, many teacher, and also another people, yeah, in around me call me by Desri, yeah. And then when I entered this campus, yeah, when I teach in this campus, yeah, before that many the students, also another friends, call me also Dewi. But because right now the name of Dewi in this campus consists of 4 people, yeah. The first is your lecturer, also Dewi Sartipa. The second, for Indonesian lecturer, Dewi Ratnaningsih, yeah. And the third, for staff of our campus, Dewi Novitasari. And the last one is Dewi Sri Kuning. So consists of 4 Dewi here. So sometimes when we are joined together, if another people call Dewi, ya kami berempat ya nengok semua gitu kan ya. So to make it not confuse one each other, so you can call me by Miss Kuning, ya. So you can call my name is Miss Kuning, ya, because until now there is no people who have the same name or same code with me, Kuning. There is no, so you just call me by Miss Kuning, ya, to make you understand, ya, about my name. Okay. Okay guys, this is for my name and also my nickname. Okay, and the second, and the next, I am 29 years old. It means that I was born in 10 February 1991. This is my birthday. So it means that right now I am 29 years old. Okay. Right now I have 2 children. You can see my doctor here. This is my last doctor, and the last the other one is my first doctor. This is 4 years old, and the next is almost 5 years old. So the space is not long space. It is very near. This is my 2 doctors. Okay, and then also I live in Wonogiri Street. You know Wonogiri? Wonogiri, it is not in Java Island, no, but this is in Kelapa Tujuh, Kota Bumi, here. If you want to join or you want to visit my home, my door always open for you all, guys. Okay, and the next is about my hobby. It is not, maybe this hobby, come when I was become a mother right now, and especially when I have this home. This is my hobby. My hobby is to plant some flowers. This is my hobby because my hobby is collecting many flowers. But in my home there is no much flower. There are some. So if you visit my home, you can see my flowers also. Okay. Okay guys, so that is about introduction of myself. Actually this is very enjoy, very happy with me if I can introduce myself in the front of you all in the classroom, because it can make me more confident or more refreshed. Then I just make you a video to introduce myself. And then beside that, all of you also you can give me questions, and then I answer my question, and especially about myself. Okay, that is about myself. And then we know that our material or our lecture, our course is about English speaking basic. English speaking basic is as one of your learning in the campus, ya. English speaking basic, it means that about speaking, ya. You know that in English consists of 4 skill. The first is listening atau mendengarkan, the second is reading, membaca, yang ketiga adalah writing, menulis, dan yang keempat adalah speaking atau berbicara. So especially for 4 skill here, I teach you about speaking. Especially the name of the course is English Speaking Basic. Yeah. So guys, the purpose of this course is everyone can try to speak English fluently. Yeah. For example, like you here, like you see right now. Yeah. You can see that I introduce myself by using English. I can communicate with you by using English. So this is the hope of us that in this semester everybody of you can use to speak English well. This is my hope that everybody you can use English for communicate with another people. Ya, this is the purpose, ya. Jadi tujuannya mata kuliah ini harapannya agar semua mahasiswa, khususnya mahasiswa bahasa Inggris semester 1 bisa menggunakan bahasa Inggris untuk komunikasi, ya. English is spoken. Bahasa Inggris itu diucapkan, bukan disimpan dalam hati, ya. Bukan belajar bahasa kebatinan, tapi bahasa itu diucapkan, ya. Jadi kalau kalian belajar bahasa Inggris, ya artinya kalian harus bisa berkomunikasi dengan bahasa Inggris, ya. Oke. And then how about the activities of English speaking basic class, ya. Untuk materi-materi hariannya, ya, di setiap pertemuan itu biasanya saya meminta mahasiswa to practice speaking English, ya, untuk praktek bahasa Inggris, berbicara bahasa Inggris. Jadi setiap pertemuan kalian itu ada latihannya. Latihannya itu yaitu latihan berbicara bahasa Inggris, because I wanna know about your ability about English, it is increase or not, ya. Jadi saya mau tahu tentang peningkatan kalian dalam pelajaran speaking bahasa Inggris itu seperti apa, ya. Oke. And okay. And then guys, yeah, you know that English is an international language. So everybody here, yeah, not only in Indonesia but also around the world use English for as the international language. So that's why English is very important for us. So guys, because you choosing English department, yeah, I think you are the best students because you can choose the major of your learning, yeah. It is very useful for you, not only right now but also for the next time. Will be better for you because you can use English, yeah. Well guys, yeah, because this is our first meeting, so yeah, I wanna give you one exercise. The exercise is about tell about yourself, or introduction about yourself, ya. Jadi mahasiswa-mahasiswi sekalian, karena ini pertemuan pertama, ya. Jadi lebih baik kalau kita itu saling mengenal, ya. Saya sudah deliver tentang diri saya untuk kalian. Jadi sekarang gantian. Tugas kalian adalah kalian membuat video seperti ini, ya, tentang perkenalan diri kalian. Untuk durasi itu tidak saya bataskan, hanya kalau bisa ya durasinya itu bisa lebih dari 1 menit, ya, durasinya lebih dari 1 menit. Silahkan kalian perkenalkan diri kalian menggunakan video, menggunakan bahasa Inggris. And then try to not to see a paper, ya. Cobalah untuk tidak melihat kertas atau catatan ketika berbicara bahasa Inggris. Diusahakan, ya. Nah, kemudian nanti tugas perkenalan diri itu silahkan kalian share di grup WhatsApp ini, ya. Jadi pilihannya boleh kalian membuat video dikirimkan di grup ini, atau kalian membuat video kemudian kalian upload di YouTube, di Facebook, di Instagram, atau di Telegram dan lain sebagainya. Silakan kalian berikan linknya itu ke dalam grup ini. Jadi nanti saya bisa melihat diri kalian itu seperti apa. So the purpose is not only for me that can see about your video, but also the another friends can know you. Jadi teman-teman lain juga bisa melihat, oh ini yang namanya si Ani, ini yang namanya si Bagas, ini namanya si Ayu, seperti itu ya. Jadi itu tugas untuk hari ini, dan saya berikan tugas ini sampai jam 10 ya. Sampai jam 10 itu saya tutup tugas ini, tugas perkenalan diri menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Okay guys, hopefully all of you will enjoy, you will be confident, and also all of you will good in doing your assignment. Okay guys, thank you very much ya. Oke, satu lagi. Yang mengumpulkan tugas sampai dengan jam 10 itu artinya kalian hadir di perkuliahan ini. Jadi bagi yang tidak mengirimkan tugas artinya kalian tidak masuk. Oke guys? Ya, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.